Um, good day, members of the jury. We are Team Biomonitoring, and my name is Rachel. My team members' names are Joseph, Abraham, Mubarak, Farian, Neka, and our coaches are Dr. Joseph Umfoji and Dr. Babajide Shari. So our project's name is Blue Roots Lagos, and Blue Roots is a floating mangrove bioremediation system that is designed to restore polluted wetlands in Lagos Lagoon, while also creating sustainable livelihood opportunities for the local communities. So the mangrove ecosystem around Lagos Lagoon are rapidly declining due to sewage discharge, petroleum contamination, plastic waste, dredging, and urban expansion. And those pollutants reduce water quality, it destabilizes the sediment, and it makes it difficult for mangrove and aquatic life to survive. So these environmental pressures affect critical resources such as mangrove forest, the fish breeding grounds, clean water and carbon sequestering wetlands, while communities like Makoko, Takwa Bay, and Badagry Creek bear the consequences. So this result is biodiversity loss, declining fish and shellfish population, increased flooding and erosion, and reduced income for communities, fishing communities. And if left unchecked, this impact will continue to threaten both ecosystems and livelihood. So to address this challenge, we developed Blue Roots Lagos, which is a floating bioraft system that combines mangrove seedlings, beneficial microbes, fungal, biochar, and aquatic organisms together. And those components naturally clean polluted water while also creating conditions for the ecosystems to recover. So what makes Blue Roots different is that we do not just restore mangroves. We first clean the water through natural bioremediation, then we restore the ecosystem while also creating sustainable livelihood opportunities for the local communities. So our approach is built on three pillars: ecosystem restoration, community ownership, and continuous monitoring. This ensures long-term sustainability and accountability. So this generated image is what is how the mangrove bioraft looks like, how it works, and the restoration cycle. So our prototype demonstrates the floating raft structure, the filtration layers, mangrove seedlings, and a simple before and after water treatment concept that actually shows how the system functions. So the process begins when polluted water enters the lagoon, floating biorafts are deployed, natural filtration starts, water quality improves, ecosystem condition recovers, mangroves are restored, and the resulting environmental and economic benefits are then reinvested back into the community. In the bioremediation process, mangrove roots absorbs excess nutrients, the microbes breaks down organic waste, fungi degrades hydrocarbon, biochar traps pollutants, and oyster enhances filtration. So together, these organisms works as a natural treatment system. To restore mangroves, seedlings are first protected on floating rafts where they can grow easily. And as water quality improves and sediment stabilizes, healthy seedlings are transplanted back into the restored wetlands, thereby increasing their survival rates. So community participation is key to Blue Roots. The women can manage seedling nurseries and oyster processing. The youth can monitor water quality and maintain rafts, while the fishermen can help identify degraded areas and also engage in aquaculture system. So this creates jobs, it creates food security, local ownership of restoration efforts. So to ensure success of this project, we would collaborate with government agencies like the Lagos State Ministry of Environment, NGOs like Nigeria Conservation Foundation, private sector partners, ESG investors like Shell Nigeria, and research institutions like the University of Lagos. So Blue Roots generates value through seedling sales, through sustainable aquaculture, biochar production, plastic recovery initiatives, and the carbon credit partnership, which creates both environmental and economic results. So here is a breakdown of the carbon credit flow. So with an initial investment of $10,000, we project a return on investment of 20 to 25% over 5 to 6 years with generated revenue from multiple sustainable streams. So our target users include the coastal communities, environmental agencies, NGOs, and climate-focused investors, the blue-green carbon and ESG sectors actually provide significant market opportunities. So our model can be replicated in other coastal regions, such as South Nigeria and the Gulf of Guinea, which makes it scalable beyond Southwest Nigeria. So we are prepared for pilot implementation. Community entry points have been mapped, so survey tools are ready in both English and local languages. The prototype is buildable, and we are committed to gathering data within the first 30 days. So unlike traditional restoration approaches, Blue Roots combines water purification, mangrove recovery, and community income generation in one integrated system. So this makes us different. We are seeking about $10,000 to construct specialized biorafts, to train community members, purchase monitoring equipment, and support carbon verification. And this investment will help us transform the polluted wetlands into productive ecosystem. In conclusion, Blue Roots Lagos restores wetlands while restoring my livelihood by combining bioremediation, mangrove recovery, community participation, and sustainable income generation. So we are offering a practical and scalable solution for coastal restoration. And our next steps include the prototype deployment, the community engagement, data collection, pilot testing, monitoring, and scaling of this project to additional sites based on performance results. Thank you for listening.